Welcome to Narayan Microwave Technologies.
This video will show you the operation of universal gate trainer model KMS-902A. In this single trainer, while using the universal gate, which is NAND gate and NOR gate, this is our NAND gate, this is NOR gate. By using the universal gate, you can perform the operation of basic gates. The basic gates are NOT gate, OR gate, and AND gate. So let's do the experiment. For performing the experiment, before that, let's see the inputs. These are the inputs from where you can give the input, and these are the output LEDs where you can observe the output. So first, let's do the operation of basic gates while using NOR gate. Here, these are the graphical representation. So you can refer these to that representation to perform the experiment. For example, this is our NOT gate. For NOT gate, the inputs of NOR gate has to be shorted. So let's short the inputs of NOR gate like this. And this shorted will give to the input switch, and output of this NOR gate, you can give it to the output LED. Any of 4 LED you can use. So this is the connection for NOT gate. Let's turn on the trainer by using the on-off switch, which is given at the rear end of the trainer. Here, it will display the power LED. So this is our, as we know that NOT gate is a single input and single output logic gate. Here, the input is 0 and output is 1. Because we know that the output of NOT gate is a complement of input. Here, input is 0, so output is 1. If input is 1, output is 0. So this is our function of NOT. Now we can do the experiment of the second logic gates, which is OR gate. This is the graphical representation for OR gate. So to perform the operation of OR gate, let's do the connection. A and B is simply given to the inputs of our 7402 IC, which is NOR gate. Here you have to use one more NOR gate. You can use any of 3 NOR gate. So let's use the NOR gate number 2. So in that, we have to short these 2 terminals like this, and the output of first NOR gate, this output of first NOR gate will be given to the input of shorted second NOR gate, and output of second NOR gate is given to the LED drive. So this is our OR gate. As we know, the OR gate truth table, the output is 1 if any of 2 input is 1. Here inputs are 0, so output is 0. If I give any input 1, let's give it 1, output would be 1. Or this is 0, 1, output is 1. 1 means LED is on means 1, LED off is 0. Here 0, 1, output is 1. If I give 1, 0, again output is 1. If I give 1, 1, again output is 1. So this is the truth table for OR. So this is the function of OR gate. Now let's do the function of AND gate. To perform the function of AND gate, what we have to do is, first we have to short 2 NOR gate inputs. This is first NOR gate inputs. This is the second NOR gate inputs. And the shorted input of both 2 NOR gates will be given to the input switches like this. So this connection is complete. Now the output of both the NOR gate will be given as the input of the third NOR gate like this, and the output of third NOR gate will be given to the LED drive. Here it will act as a AND gate. As we all know, the output of AND gate is only one if and only if the inputs of the both the inputs are 1. This is 0 0, output is 0. If it is 0 1, again output is 0. If it is 1 0, output is 0. If it is 1 1, then only your output would be 1. So this is for AND gate. So these experiments you can perform by using the NOR gate. Similarly, by using the NAND gate also, you can perform these basic logic gates. Let's do it. This is for NOT gate. For NOT gate, you have to short the inputs of NAND gate like this, and the inputs will be given to the input switch. The output of NAND gate will be given to the LED driver. Here, or NAND gate will work as a NOT gate. So you can check if input is 0, output is 1. If input is 1, output is 0. So this is our NOT gate. Now let's perform the operation of AND gate. For AND gate operation, you simply give the two inputs. Here we have to use the other NAND gate. You have to short it like this, and the output of first NAND gate will be given to the input of second NAND gate, and output of second NAND gate you can give the LED drive. You can check the result with the truth table. If it is 0 0, output is 0. If it is 0 1, output is 0. If inputs are 1 0, output is 0. If inputs are 1 1, your output would be 1. So this is for AND gate. Now let's do it for OR gate. Here, this is the symbol. So first we have to short the two inputs of the two NAND gate, and input of both the NAND gate will be given to the input switch, and output of both the NAND gate will be given to the inputs of the third NAND gate, and output of third NAND gate will be given to the LED driver. Here your circuit will work as a OR gate. If inputs are 0 0, output is 0. If inputs are 0 1, output is 1. For 0 1, it is 1. For 1 0, output is 1. For 1 1, output is 1. So this function is for OR gate. So you can perform the basic logic gates using the two universal gate by using this single trainer. Thank you for watching the video.